Okay guys, good morning. So we are looking at this pattern here right now. Nasdaq has gotten to the second ATR with the correlation dots, and okay guys, I'm gonna go long here. Okay, we give it some room to these guys. See
Long
buyers
signal
in the
yes.
tape, buyers in the tape. There we go. Hopefully we gonna get the target. Hopefully we see lots of imbalances at the second ATR. That's what I'd like to see. Nasdaq, we need to see the Nasdaq pushing a little bit higher to get our target. Looking at $300, $400. Yes, buyers are trying to pick the price up. Okay guys, so we see the Nasdaq buyers jumping in. Okay, we hope, let's see the 8-second ATR. Let's see what happens here. I'm 400 up. Okay, I will try to get one contract out. If we get a spike up, I would like to get a free trade. We see buyers in control in the Nasdaq. No rush of sellers. But you never know, guys. Market has been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So let's see if the Nasdaq can get up to this ATR at least, or maybe it will hit here and reverse. So I just don't want to get, little sellers coming in. Got 200 contracts long. Okay, guy, got the first contract out. Okay, so let's see if the market can continue higher from here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit the trade now and look for another one. Was $500 right there. Was a good trade. Okay, so we'll check later, guys, if we can make another trade. I gotta go to, make some things that I for my personal things. And okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, guys, so I will explain to you quickly right here why did I took this trade. Okay, you see the Nasdaq trying to go higher. Okay, 1, 2, 3, many times it couldn't. Okay, so every time you need to check this too. Okay, this was higher than this one, so sellers just were hitting the tape over here. Then it made a little bit higher, and you see the blue line from the tape, and the market just couldn't go higher. Then reversed. Okay, so it made this big box over here. This is huge indecision. You gotta be careful with that. So what these guys do is they hit the tape very quickly. As you can see, these bars don't even have volume. Okay, when you see this is artificial. Okay, it is artificial. This is not a trade. And if you see that they break the ATR, careful, because what they're gonna do is gonna reverse the market, because these guys already won 20, 40 ticks with 500 contracts. So what do you expect, that they're gonna leave money on the table? No, guys, they're not gonna leave money on the table. This is not charity. This is not something that you can play with. Okay, and you think that you're an institutional guy. You're a little guy in your computer at your house. You need to be aware, take advantage of what these guys do. When you see they hitting the tape too quickly, it's a reversal. Okay, then we see the visual imbalance here. We see a box, correlation dot, a box, and we see visual imbalance. And over here at this low tick, we see 607 contracts here, then 1300 contracts, and I went long. You see the tape over here in the micro ES. You see all the blue lines here. The tape was hitting stronger on the micro ES than in the ES. So as you can see right now, we're still struggling, but now it's crawling slowly higher. So well, for me it's a good money. So it's a good money. $500 is for a day. It's good money. Okay guys, have a great day.